Did your sticky notes disappear after reinstalling Windows, switching computers, or signing out of your account? In this tutorial, I'll show you the most reliable ways to restore sticky notes and get your notes back whenever possible. First, open sticky notes from the Start menu. If you haven't already, sign in with the same Microsoft account you used when creating your notes. In many cases, synced notes are restored automatically after you sign in. Once you're signed in, keep your device connected to the internet and give sticky notes a few moments to sync. So if your notes were previously backed up through your Microsoft account, they may appear automatically after synchronization finishes. After syncing, open the notes list and scroll through your saved notes. Yeah, sometimes a note isn't missing at all, it's simply closed or moved lower in the list. You can also use the search feature to look for specific keywords. If your notes aren't available through synchronization, check whether you have a recent Windows backup or another backup solution. Restoring from a backup may help recover notes that were previously saved on your computer. Depending on your sticky notes version and Microsoft account, your synced notes may also be available in Microsoft OneNote. Open OneNote and check whether your notes have been synchronized there. And that's how to restore sticky notes in Windows. Signing in with the correct Microsoft account and keeping regular backups are the best ways to protect your notes in the future. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows guides, and thanks for watching.